Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to share a hosting coupon code that can save you a lot of money on your next hosting purchase. So let's jump right in. First, head to the description and click on my affiliate link. It's important to use that link because the coupon code only works if you go through it. Once you're on the page, you'll see a 75% discount on hosting, plus a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's nothing to worry about. They offer 3 types of hosting: premium, business, and cloud. I recommend going with either the premium or the business plan because they include all the essential features. The coupon code I'm sharing works in every country and currency, so no matter where you are, you'll get a discount. Just select your plan, enter the coupon code MM10 at checkout, and you'll see the discount applied right away. I also have my own special code, TECH99, for an additional discount, so feel free to use either one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.